Okay, so to complete this activity with the geographic coordinates, what you'll have to do is you're going to want to find Google Earth. So here I am, I just typed Google Earth right into Google. If you have a newer computer, this might be pre-installed on your computer as a button down here at the taskbar. Otherwise, you can just go straight to Google and type in Google Earth. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on the left-hand side here, Launch Earth. It'll take a minute to load, and it'll probably want to give you a little tutorial of how to use it. That's what this video is for, though, so we can just click skip in the upper right corner. Now, to use Earth to our advantage, we're going to want to find the search bar over on the left-hand side here. And we're going to type in our geographic coordinates. But before we can do that, we have to convert these into a decimal. So we've got degrees and minutes here for both latitude and longitude. And in order to get these minutes into a decimal of a degree, a fraction, we're going to have to convert. And it's a really simple conversion. I know this isn't a math class, but here our first one for latitude is 48 degrees and 58 minutes north. So what we have to convert this, 40 is already a degree, so we can just leave this as 40 degrees. We have our 58 minutes over our standard 1. We're going to multiply that by 1 degree, breaks down into 60 minutes. Our units cancel off here, and we're left with 58 sixtieths of a degree. 58 divided by 60 is 0.96. And then we'll carry our degrees over because we just got rid of our minute unit down here. So this is essentially equal to 40.96 degrees north latitude. So we can use this red number here, this 40.96 degrees north, and we can just plug that right into Google Earth. We'll have to do the same with our longitude, and that comes out to about 5.65 degrees west if we do the same process there. So I'm just going to come back to Google Earth, and I'm going to type those in. So we've got 40.96. I'm going to do comma, and then 5.65. And that's going to take us around to the middle of nowhere. Why did it do that? Because there's a sneaky thing that I forgot to show you. If we are using coordinates in decimal form, we want to be really careful. So this was a mistake that could easily be done. On our compass rose, we have north, east, south, and west. North is up, right, as we think of it. South is down. So south is going to be assigned a negative number. So if any of our coordinates have a south after them, we have to put a negative in front of the degrees. The same thing is true of west. So our degrees here of longitude is west. So what we have to do here is put a -5 to show that we want west. And we can push enter here, and it'll take us back out and around to somewhere really fun. This is a really specific location, right? We can see it's somebody's building. What we want is the name of the town. So we can zoom out a little bit, and we can see there it is. It's Salamanca in Spain. So this city here is what we're going to write in our box, provided that it has the correct number of letters. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 letters here, and that's what our task specifies that we need. So here's our answer for number 1. And then we'll continue on with the rest of these in the same manner.